biggest challenge for us was finding a project that we all wanted to work on and that was also cost-effective and feasible for us to complete in a semester. And so originally we had wanted to do a rooftop garden as our project. However, it was going to be difficult to complete in a semester, and there were other problems that came along with actually completing this project effectively. And so we went through multiple ideas and finally settled on creating a rain garden and also helping to promote rain gardens for the community.
Favorite part of the project and the semester was definitely Springfest. My family has actually gone to Springfest for years, and so it was really cool for me to get to be a part of the students to participate in Springfest. And we had a really great time talking to people and getting people interested and excited about rain gardens and showing them how it works and how it could work on campus. And it was a really cool experience to see how everybody came together as a community and how we got to be a part of that.
Rain garden is basically designed to hold water to prevent runoff and puddles. We came up with the idea because around campus there's a lot of puddles. Also, it's important in Lafayette since there's a lot of sewage and runoff that goes into Wabash.
Overall, I really enjoyed the class. It was great to do a hands-on project and learn, and I got to play with dirt, so that's always a plus.
The thing that's helped me the most individually with this whole project, I think, is being able to work as a team and also improve my communication skills, especially on a professional. The money that we were given wasn't much, but we made do, and we made a good project out of
it. Sometimes, even though the first project may not work out, you have to try again and maybe even try again, and finally you'll find a project that works out for everyone. And I've also learned that communication is definitely key, because if no one knows what they're doing, then nothing will get accomplished. And also, you need to work as a team.
Alright, everyone stop swearing.